Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be dealing with vCenter server. Here we're going to learn how to connect to the web client of the vCenter server, and inside of the web client we're going to learn how to install license keys for the vSphere, and we're also going to cover creating an inventory for your data centers. And lastly, we're going to learn how to add an ESXi host into our data center inventory. Okay, so what is a vCenter server? A vCenter server is a service that acts as a central administration point for ESXi hosts in their virtual machines. The vCenter server can support up to 1,000 ESXi hosts and up to 10,000 running virtual machines. For this lab, we have installed our vCenter server on a Windows virtual machine having a host name vCenter server. So let us begin the lab by connecting to our vCenter server using the vCenter web client. And to connect to the web client, we just need to specify the host name of the host name of our server where we installed the vCenter server. The username and password that we use to log into our web client is what we specified during the installation of our vCenter server. Okay, now we are logged into our vCenter web client. Let's go to the administration and then licensing and licenses. This is where we can add licenses to our vSphere to enable some features for our vCenter server. Okay, that's all there is in this lab. So, to summarize, we have connected to our vCenter web client, where we specify the host name, which is the name of the machine where we installed our vCenter server. And then once we have logged into the vCenter web client, we shown how to install license keys, and then we also created an inventory called data center demo, where we added our 192.168.1.106 ESXi host.